Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna bring a new video on some top budget microphones that you can buy in the market. Another new video after a month. So in these days I didn't make a proper video because of some exams, and I thought to stop doing YouTubing because I didn't get much subs, and because of that I was like too much upset. But after watching Ali Abdal's YouTube tips, which is now you can see in the screen, so I thought like okay, do not worry about the numbers, just start YouTube again. So now a brand new video. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So before that, make sure to subscribe if you like my video, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so another reminder, I will be adding only 2 videos per week because like I have schoolwork and I need to complete everything. So earlier I added per 1 video per day, but now I can't do like that, so I'll be adding 2 videos per day. Okay, so I prepared some microphones, and let's check it out. Okay, so the first microphone that you can check it out is this microphone, msuic PC microphone with stand. So I'm not going to do an unboxing because I don't have these microphones physically, but I just got from Amazon site. So this microphone, it's like I watched some reviews on YouTube, so everybody say that this is too much cheaper microphone and this audio quality is not good. So if you want to listen to an audio quality of this, you can go to the YouTube channel known as The Video Nerd. I'll link that video in the description, so you can go check it out. So the price of this microphone is $16.94, and it's not USB, it's actually 3.5. So if you have a low budget, you can go to that microphone, but I don't recommend it so much. Okay, so I'll link everything in the description below. Okay, so the next microphone that I found was this BM800 microphone. So this is a kind of a good microphone that you can buy in the market. So it is a condenser microphone. There's another model called BM800, but it's here. I don't actually watch that. I'll just say there. So this is an XLR microphone. I mean, you should have another phantom power, and also and a sound card, like so much stuff. But I like this microphone, but it's not too much because there's a lot of setup. So there is a cardioid pickup power pattern, so you can get it, but I don't recommend because like so much setup. And you get a boom arm, the microphone, a converter, and a pop filter, and like a sponge thing that I don't know how to say it, and a cable, and also a shock mount. So it's $41. I mean, it's $42 because $41.99 means it's $42. So there are 3 colors. You can get it from black, you can get it from a gold, I mean this part, and you can get it from this ash color or something, and also you can get it from this red color, but it's not too much good. Okay, so this is also in the description below. And after that, the next one is this one. So this is also pretty much popular microphone. This is the USB streaming podcast microphone from msuic. This is a good one. I recommend to you to buying. This is a USB microphone. You get the boom arm and the microphone. This brand is called msuic. Like this. It's pretty much, you need to keep like this. Is it? And you have a USB cable, and also yeah, that's the only thing. The price is $48. I think it's good for the price point because you get a boom arm even. So yeah, that's good. Okay, so The next microphone is a very special microphone for the price point. This is the Fantech Leviosa microphone. This is a very special one. This is the one now I'm using to record this video. This is the Fantech Leviosa msuic01. It has an RGB illumination, its USB interface, and the cardioid polar pattern, and it has RGB on it, and you can even audio monitor while you are listening, so I can hear right now what I'm talking, and you can sound like a pro. And there's some RGB, and you get an adjustable tripod, but I don't use it because I don't have much space in my desk, so I don't use it. And also what you get in the box is you get the microphone, you get a folding tripod, you get a pop filter like this. When I remove it, so much noise, but when I put it back, nice. And also you get a USB cable and the user manual. So when coming to the compatibility, you need to have Windows, and also you need a USB port. The software, I don't know what, I think this is the OS, I don't know what. You need Windows 7 on you, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. So you can use for everything you need. So I'll bring a video on this microphone because I thought of stuffing YouTube, but I got this microphone. Yeah. So next microphone, I won't be able to add this microphone link in the description because this is an Asian product, so you won't be able to get in America or somewhere else. It's only available in Asia. So the next microphone is the Fifine K669B. This is a very special microphone because this is compatible with so many devices such as Windows, macOS, and PS4, but this is not compatible with Xbox. You can this is USB, and you get a very tripod which is very strong, so everybody is saying that it is so much strong. And yeah, so the price is like $29, which is pretty much good. And you can have black color, blue color, silver color, green color, and rose red. So if you are going to buy one, link will be in the description. Okay, so after that, this is one of the most special microphone that you can buy in the market. This is the Toner TC777, which is pretty much good in the price point because this is also USB and the same polar pattern as my microphone and the other microphones. I think yeah, you get a pop filter with it, so that's a good one. If you want to buy it, link in the description. And the last one is the legendary microphone, the Razer Seren Mini. So if you Razer, it's built for gamers, so like so much. It also have it's so much so compact, like so much small than the other microphones we checked out, and too light. Everybody said that this is too light, so our budget is so much close. This is $50, and like if you want to buy it, link in the description. And also having 3 colors, as I guess, yeah, classic black, mercury white, and quartz pink. Razer products are from quartz, so that's nice. You're for a girl. But I personally don't like this design because this Fantech one is so much good for me, but it will be from your choice. So yeah, that's all. If you want to listen to the sound qualities of these microphones, I will link a video in description because I don't have these microphones physically. I just got it from Amazon. So if you want to listen sound quality, the video is in the link description. So thank you for watching this video. So if you learned something new, hit that like and subscribe button, and also comment for more videos. So then until next time, goodbye.